In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a default bill recipient in Clio Manage. To get started, log into your Clio Manage account. Once you're signed in, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Matters. This is where you can manage existing matters or create a new one, depending on what you need to do. From here, you have two options. You can click New Matter if you're creating a matter from scratch, or, if the matter already exists, open it and select Edit Matter. Either path will take you to the matter settings where you can update the billing-related client information. Next, in the menu on the left side of the matter setup page, select Clients. This section is where you associate one or more clients with the matter. If the client you need is not already listed, go ahead and add the client or clients you want connected to that matter. Take a moment here to make sure the correct people or entities are attached, since this will affect billing and matter organization. Once your clients are listed, locate the specific client who should receive invoices for this matter. Beside that client's name, check the Bill Recipient box. This tells Clio Manage that this is the client who should be used for billing purposes on that matter. If needed, you can also choose Set as default client for the primary client on the matter. This can be helpful if the same client should not only receive invoices, but also be treated as the main client associated with the matter. If that doesn't apply to your situation, you can leave that option unchanged. After that, complete any remaining matter details that still need to be filled in. Once everything looks correct, click Save to apply your changes. It's always a good idea to quickly review the matter before saving, especially if you've updated client roles or billing settings. Going forward, when you create a bill for that matter, Clio Manage will automatically use the client you selected as the bill recipient by default. This can save time, reduce manual changes during billing, and help make sure invoices are directed to the right person from the start. That's all there is to it. Once this is set up, your billing workflow can be a little smoother and more consistent for that matter. Thanks for watching.